Hi, my name is Rick Allison. I'm a professor at Pasco-Hernando State College, and I just wanted to discuss some topics about the uCertify platform. I would say that my experience is excellent, and some of the experiences I've had because I teach A plus and Tech plus as an instructor here at our college. The the A plus in general. I'm going to talk more about the A plus because there's two exams for the A plus, and the material that I use is separated according to those two certification exams. And so this is one of the reasons why I choose to use uCertify. And then along the way, there's some other benefits. Um, the ability to track students in detail, and being able to support those students and help them stay caught up in their work is, from what I've seen, is far superior than other testing platforms that I've used. I had, and this goes back a few years, I had my first student success with uCertify, this current platform that we're using. Some other platforms I was not so successful in teaching with. So I would say that the percentage of pass rates keeps going up and up, especially the more I interact with uCertify and figure out more things that I can do to enhance my teaching skill along with interacting with the uCertify platform. So yeah, it's getting better every term. Um, my students, because we still use some other platforms and some other areas, when they get to the uCertify platform, they really enjoy it much better. The materials laid out and it's able to be consumed uh, much more consistently and easier than some other platforms. So usually when they get to my class and they see what I'm using, they're much happier than what they're using with some other classes. And another thing that I'm running into that's common, I'm running into some high school students that are coming to the college, and they're already using the uCertify platform in their high school. So there's quite a few of them that are already have a good idea on how the uCertify platform works. Oh, it was pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. I kind of compare it to your automobile when you're driving and you see your cluster instrument gauge on the dash, and it's easy to understand, how the engine's running, how fast you're driving, any other gauges like oil and water temperature, stuff like that. It's very um, user friendly as far as being able to spot everything's in color. There's if you like to use spreadsheets, you can have the thing uCertify report in spreadsheets, but I find spreadsheets very cumbersome to look at. Eventually, all the numbers start to look the same. And when you look at the dashboard of uCertify, it kind of reminds you of looking at the dashboard of a car. You've got gauges and lights and um, easy to read numbers. It's very, very easy to adapt to. Mostly using like I said, the dashboard is so easy to consume the information that you need to consume as being an instructor. but it helps zero in on students that have weak spots far easier just by looking at these gauges and this dashboard that uCertify provides. It just helps you zero in real quick. And like I said, it's a lot better than looking at spreadsheets and trying to figure it out that way. Oh, absolutely. I already have. I was the first instructor at our college to use uCertify, and now we've got quite a few instructors that are starting to use uCertify.